If you love cats, you already know they are independent, mysterious, and full of personality. But did you know that many common cat behaviours actually hold deeper meanings? Or that simple changes in their routine could drastically improve their health? In today's video, we're breaking down the best cat care practices, essential health tips, and important signs your cat gives you that every owner should recognise. Some of these tips might surprise you, and they could even help prevent serious health issues down the road. Stay tuned until the end, and if you learn something new, be sure to leave a comment below. Number 1. Feed your cat a proper, high-protein diet. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning they need animal-based protein to survive. Unlike humans or even dogs, cats cannot properly digest plant-based proteins and need real meat in their diet. Many cheap cat foods contain high amounts of grains and fillers, which can lead to obesity, diabetes, and long-term health problems. Always look for high-quality cat food that lists a real protein source, like chicken, turkey, or fish as the first ingredient. Avoid foods with excessive corn, wheat, or soy, as these provide little nutritional value. Wet food is often recommended over dry kibble because it has higher moisture content, which helps keep cats hydrated. Would you ever consider switching your cat to a raw or homemade diet? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. Ensure your cat stays hydrated. Cats have a low natural thirst drive because their ancestors got most of their water from eating fresh prey. As a result, many cats today don't drink enough water, which can lead to kidney disease, dehydration, and urinary tract infections. One of the best ways to encourage your cat to drink more is by using a cat water fountain. Cats are naturally drawn to running water because it mimics fresh streams in the wild. Another great way to keep them hydrated is by feeding wet food, which contains significantly more moisture than dry kibble. If you notice your cat drinking excessively or barely drinking at all, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue, so always monitor their water intake. Number 3. Schedule regular vet checkups. Cats are masters at hiding pain, which means they can be suffering from serious health issues without showing obvious signs. That's why annual vet checkups are crucial to catch potential problems early. A routine vet visit includes checking their weight, examining their teeth, and ensuring their kidneys and liver are functioning properly. As cats age, they become more prone to conditions like arthritis, dental disease, and kidney failure. Early detection is key to keeping them healthy for years to come. Number 4. Pay attention to your cat's grooming habits. Cats spend a significant portion of their day grooming, and this behaviour is essential for their health. But any sudden change in grooming habits could indicate an issue. If your cat is over-grooming or pulling out fur, they may have allergies, fleas, or anxiety. On the other hand, if they stop grooming altogether, it could mean they are in pain, overweight, or suffering from arthritis. Make it a habit to check your cat's coat regularly. A shiny, clean coat is a sign of good health, while dull fur, dandruff, or bald patches may indicate a problem. Number 5. Monitor litter box behaviour closely. Changes in litter box habits are often the first sign of a health problem. If your cat is suddenly urinating outside the box, straining, or using the litter box more frequently, it could be a sign of a urinary tract infection, kidney disease, or even diabetes. If you ever notice blood in the urine, or your cat crying, out in pain when using the litter box, get them to a vet immediately. These conditions can become life-threatening if not treated quickly. Number 6. Provide mental and physical stimulation. Many people think cats are lazy, but in reality, they need mental and physical exercise to stay healthy. A bored cat can become destructive, anxious, or even depressed. Make sure your cat has access to scratching posts, interactive toys, and climbing structures. Puzzle feeders and hunting-style toys also help stimulate their natural instincts and prevent boredom. What's your cat's favourite toy? Drop a comment below and let me know. Number 7. Watch for subtle signs of illness. Cats rarely show pain, so subtle changes in their behaviour could be the only sign that something is wrong. If your cat is hiding more, eating less, suddenly aggressive, or lethargic, they may not be feeling well. Other warning signs include bad breath, excessive meowing, sudden weight loss, or unusual sleeping patterns. If something seems off, trust your instincts and get them checked by a vet. Number 8. Keep their teeth clean. Dental disease is one of the most common health issues in cats, yet many owners overlook it. Plaque buildup can lead to painful infections, tooth loss, and even organ damage. Brushing your cat's teeth regularly, or providing dental treats and water additives, can help keep their mouth healthy. If you notice bad breath, drooling, or difficulty eating, it might be time for a vet dental cleaning. That wraps up our guide to keeping your cat healthy and happy. Cats may be independent, but they rely on us to give them the best care possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. Which of these tips was the most useful to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.